What is going on, y'all? Welcome to the Thai Live channel. So today we are in Sacramento downtown for the Nail Pro event. This is my first time going to this event. I'm truly excited because this time I don't have to hold the camera. I have somebody to hold the camera for me. So we get to really explore to see what is going on in there, because I've never been to this event. I've been to the Cosmo Pro, the premiere, and this is my first Nail Pro event. So let's check it out. Follow me, y'all. Let's follow me. Let's go into the lobby and see what's going on. All right, guys, so we got our badge to get in, so follow me. Let's really go in and check out what's the Nail Pro all about. I'm so excited. This is like my first time, so let's get it, y'all. Walk inside real quick. So every single event that I've been to, come over here, cameraman, walk on the side. Every event I go to is really huge. It's always in like a convention. I don't know where to start sometimes, but let's start this side. Let's just go down this side. As you can see over here, there's like different vendors out here. They always have, today they specialize like in skincare and nail pro. So follow me. Look at over there. She's having a little facial skin mask. Makeup. So there's a lot of makeup on this side. We're gonna try to walk around and show you guys around. All right. So this event's really not that big, because if you look around, the Cosmo Pro is so much bigger. But this will do it. This will bring the community together. So it seems like over here is all like hair stuff, cosmetics, skincare. Let's walk on this side. Let's see what we have. Seems like the majority of this convention is like skincare, but I found some nail area and I want to show you guys, because you know we want to expose the nail industry and really show you what you guys are out there and who's are showing up at this convention. So let's walk over. All right, so where we are at right now, let's look over here. This is called the Dreamtime Creation. If you know who is Tino Vo is, that nail artist is really good. I mean, he does a lot of art. Let's check it out. He's over there.
I just dip it in so the head have a little more extra gel. So I just slap it all on here, and when I go in, I just slowly lift it.
So this booth right here, apparently this is Tino Vo's booth right here. If you guys don't know who that person is, check it out, Tino.Vo. Super good nail artist. I actually learned a lot from this nail tech right here. So I'm kind of excited that he's doing some design right now and in front of all the public. You can see there's people like just watching him. But this is his booth right here. Let's walk inside, see what kind of stuff that he sells. Check it out. Can we take a walk in here and see what's going on? Yeah, so any kind of art that you guys see Tino Vo does, Tino Vo, is all here. They sell it here, right here. Right there. This is the brand right here, Vo Tino. Product that, some of the product that he sells are right here too. You know, white ink. So all the stuff that he does with the gel art. See him on social media. Now I get to see him performing in real life. It's awesome. Look how fancy it is.
How is that one? How is that gel different from the texture of that gel?
So let's say.
Let's go to a different booth and let's check out more stuff, and then we might come back here if he's not busy. We can have a talk with him, right? But other than that, let's keep it going. This is their bottle right here. I never heard of this brand. I never heard of this brand. What else is it? It's like their pastel color. Look at this. Look how glossy this thing is.
Galaxy?
Have you heard of this brand? I never heard of this brand before.
The third one.
Hello. Good. I never heard of this brand.
No way, how come?
I don't know. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
We can tell you everything about it. Gel Bottle specializes in builders in a bottle, which are so-called self-leveling gels that are made for straightening. Builder Bottle is a trademark, so we have them in very many colors, which saves so much time for the nail technicians because you just apply the colored base. And here you go, you just saved you 15 minutes.
So you don't need a base coat for this one, just directly onto the nails, or is that what you're trying
The base
to
coat is only for clear and white.
Gotcha.
So we had to take out the primer because it makes it yellowish.
Gotcha.
And yeah, and then over 500 colors.
Over 500
hard
colors.
gels, Design X tips, brushes, equipment, lamps, files.
You guys have
anything
all
you
of that,
want.
right?
Yep.
Yeah, got you. Well, I
If you
just
need
never
any
seen
help
it.
finding any colors, just let us know.
You got it. I'm just looking around, getting to know different brands. Thank you. Let's go. Let's follow me. Let's go on. See, so now we are actually in the nail area, which is only a little spot compared to where we have over there. But we're gonna walk around and we're gonna check out what else they have. Product of putting the soul. So they specialize in like foot cream and all that, which is important. If you guys do a lot of pedicure, you definitely want to invest in sell some good foot cream. It's like an add-on service, but it really helps, right? So this brand's called Nail Thoughts. Still, I haven't heard of this brand yet. So there's so much of brands that I haven't even heard of in the nail industry.
Hey vlogger.
Hi, how are you?
This. That's a nice mic.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Katie.
Nice to meet you. I'm Min.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
I'm just going around making content about the event and getting to know, different brands of nails because we want to expose the little brand too. Not just tell me a little bit about this one. It's called what?
So this is a collaboration with the Japanese gel company Kokois.
Okay.
So all of us, we're a giant island, so feel free to like follow around.
Okay.
But this is my collaboration with them. It's all handmade in Japan.
Okay.
And all of these pink bottles are base coats and a builder and a color all in one. So builder in a bottle, tinted bases, and then all the gold are just regular gel color. And it's all pure gel. And we also have our very popular tortoiseshell design kit. And it comes with all of the colors and a brush and a tutorial to get the pretty tourneys. Because it's such weird colors.
That's actually a very nice design.
Cute, right?
Yeah, very
Because it's
nice.
like, you would never buy these like sheer orange and sheer brown colors just by itself. But that's why we made this kit, because people ask for tortoiseshell in fall all the time.
No, and how can we purchase your item? Is it online only or
Online
what?
only, but we do have some distributors.
Okay.
So some are in person, but some are also international as well. But
Oh,
yeah,
gotcha.
it's all on the website just in case.
And you have an
wanna see.
Instagram that my viewers can follow?
Yes, so it's Nail Thoughts. It's literally just this.
Nail Thoughts.
And then also Kokois USA, which is in the collaboration with.
Awesome. So make sure you guys go follow them. And if you guys want any type of talk about the gel, hit them up. Right?
Thanks so
Feel free
much.
to ask
Yes.
questions because they're here to educate us.
I want to follow you.
The Thai life. So over here, apparently this is a nail challenge or nail competition they're having over here. Let's check it out. See if we can.
They haven't talked to any truck. And your name, ma'am?
They're doing.
You're doing a wonderful job. Doing a nature.
That's pretty cool. Like, if you were a nail tech, you want to join these kind of competition. Like, my wife always forced me to join, but I'm always checking out. I don't know why, but it's definitely a good experience for you to get your name out there. It's really good experience for you to like network, I think, because more people get to know you. More people just get to know you. I think that's the main thing. Like, as a nail tech, you want to be known. You know what I mean? I don't know if I can walk around this area now because it seems like there's a block, but can I walk around this area? Not inside? Okay. So yeah, you can see a contestant over there just competing about, I don't know if they had to bring their own nail brush or not. That would be cool. How are you?
I am one of your followers, and I'm the one from.
He can take it. I can take it if you want it. they didn't know what was in their kit.
We gave them a bag, they opened it up, and they're making amazing creations with
Wow,
what was in
let's
the
take a
bag.
look. I want to check out what
Anybody seen that cooking
creativity
show?
that comes out.
Yeah, that's where I got the
You want
idea.
to take a look at this one first?
Yes, ma'am. I don't say it because I don't want anybody to sue me, but you know. I'm just kidding. I don't think anybody from there is here, right?
She's doing some glitter effect, maybe some marble design above that. Apparently
Wait, you're gonna
all
get
the
louder.
polish that they get in the kit, they don't know what to expect, which is good. Now they have to come up with the creativity of doing the art, which that really brings out the creativities as a nail technician. And that's what you want in this
7 minutes
competition.
left.
Right? And there's a timer. So let's go check out the next competitor. This is awesome. Maybe I should join this. Look at that. She's doing all kind of colorful stuff. How beautiful is that? And art is a creativity, you know, like when it comes to doing nails, you don't even know what your mind process, like whatever color she's getting, she's had to come up with the design. So far, she's working on her 5th one. Look at that.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi there.
Doing such a great job.
Really?
Of course. Of course.
Thank you.
Best luck.
Thank you.
And look at over here, she's doing some intensive art over here. And I find that's cool because, you know, for nail tech to bring themselves out here, that's good networking. And that is something you want to do as a nail technician, is to network, get yourself out there, you know. And this is one way to do it. You know, when you do such a good job and people know, look at that, she's drawing an eyeball. She got this line going on. She got the flames going. That's awesome. And of course, she's the judge right there. She's looking at all the
Are you
performance.
filming over here? Come on now.
How are you, Katie?
I'm good, how are you?
I met you last time in Cosmo Pro Vegas.
I remember.
How are you? I'm good. I'm so excited to see you
I'm excited to see you.
because I was like, I said, is Katie gonna be here? Because I want to meet her because last time I didn't get a chance to really talk to you and get to know you more.
Well, I'm glad you're here. What do you think about our competition?
I think it's great. I mean, this is one of the best things that any nail tech needs to do because it's good networking, it's good to get yourself out there, and it's good to show off your skills. Because nail tech is an art, it's not just a process, and if you're able to come up with any type of design out of the bag, that's amazing. And it's not about being good, it's not about being perfect. It's just having that courage to really be out here. And to me, that is amazing as a nail tech because growing up in the industry, we didn't get none of it. We were growing up learning from just watching other nail tech, but to be able to have judges, mentors to oversee your work, that's amazing. You guys are doing a great job.
Thank you.
I really feel blessed to be here, to be honest with you.
We're blessed that you're here. And I love this competition because we give every competitor the same products, right? So it's not about what they bring or what they have, how much money they have. It's about creativity and innovation on the spot.
You are correct. You are so correct. So yeah, I definitely recommend anybody who are in the nail industry or even thought about becoming a beauty industry kind of people, come to these shows. Like, this is my first time here, and the kind of community that I see that's building for the nail industry or even the beauty community is amazing because we didn't get that like years ago. And to have the kind of community that we're building today is amazing because we are so underrated as a service industry people, and we need to make sure that we're not underrated anymore.
So come to shows, learn, do competitions, right? There's so much to shop, so much good stuff.
And talk to people. Like, Katie is so nice. She will not bite you, okay? She will come and greet you and show you the ropes. And that's why I'm here. Like, I literally learned so much. Like, I might be doing this for over 20 years, but I'm always learning because there's always innovation to be put together in this industry. And like I say, just networking is the key in this industry, and we all need to do it.
Such wise words. Thank you, man.
No,
Thank you for
thank
coming.
you. I appreciate you.
It was nice to see you.
Yeah, I think so right here. Usually when I go to this event, the first few minutes I get really nervous because I don't know anybody there, but eventually when you start talking to people, you know, you feel a little bit more comfortable. And just talking to Katie, who helps with the Nail Pro, you know, it's great. It's just meeting people that are in the same industry. And to me, I feel that is like one of the most amazing things. And I feel like every nail, and it's only $40, guys. Just to be at this event is only $40. Not that bad at all, you know. And you get to learn a lot. Like, you know, you get to see what people do besides just nails. You know, they're inventing stuff, they're networking, they're bringing stuff together. But let's keep it going. Let's keep it going over here. Can I give you a little interview and get to know you a little bit? Where's the good location you want to stand? Like,
Let's stand in front of the Rim Time Tree.
Let's do it. Well, you know, I go by the Thai life, and I make funny skit about nails.
Yes.
And I finally get to meet an artist like you, because I've been following you, and I love all your creativity that you do. So I just want to know a little bit about you. If you guys don't know who this is Tino Vo, excellent nail artist. You can learn so much from tutorials, TikTok, pretty much everywhere on social media, right? A little bit about yourself?
So I am a special effect artist, and my journey started out about 14 years ago. And at that time, there's not a lot of nail art going on in the industry, and I found a creativity that are missing in that industry. So I started to do a lot of nail art, and I quickly spot the reaction and the excitement that is generated for a everyday woman to be able to wear beautiful nail set and feel special and unique, and that is my strong mission in life since then, to go ahead and enrich the industry with all the beautiful art. And I start to develop product and technique for that. And you know what, I really want to share this with the world one day, and I feel like today is a day for it.
You're doing it. I mean, the whole world watches you, you know. How long did it take you to perfect the art? That's what everybody wants to know.
You know, that is a journey of a lifetime, because I never have enough. When I achieve to a certain point of perfection, I always want more, because nail art is like fashion, and one day you're in, the next day you're out. So it's an endless mission for me to keep perfecting it. There's no end point for my perfection of my art.
That is so true. There is no end point. We constantly keep learning, right?
Yes.
So right now, what is your ultimate goal with your streaming and education? Like, you want to keep going bigger, or what's your ultimate goal?
I want to keep sharing. That's it. That's plain and simple, because our industry have been crippled for a long time, and you know this. I mean, nail price have gone down so much, and I want to do art, and enable for you to do art, you need to be able to pay money for it. So my mission is to train and train and train, so a lot of people will be able to do art, and that will elevate our industry.
What is the one advice you can give to any nail tech right now?
You know, when it comes to designing, it's really coming from something from within. So as a designer, if you look to the left of you and you look to the right of you, you will eventually lose that clarity of thought. So my advice, look for information everywhere, but always hold to something true from within.
I so agree with you. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
I really appreciate you. I love you. Keep going. Keep doing what you do.
Thank you.
Because you inspire me. Some of the stuff that you design,
yes,
wow me. I'm like, how long did it take him? That's the question. Like, how long did it take him? Because you do amazing work.
Thank you.
And keep up doing what you do. And I'm sure you inspire a lot of people in this industry. And people know you. Take care. Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, so we are pretty much wrapping it up for this event at the Nail Pro. Overall, this Nail Pro is not as big compared to the Cosmo Pro or the Premier, but it's still a great networking event for you to go to as a nail technician or any type of beauty industry, because you want to get yourself out there. But here you see a lot more smaller brands. You don't see a lot of bigger brands, but it's all right, because the small brand, they got to start somewhere, and this is where they start. Same thing with nail technician. You want to make sure that you guys seek out for these events. So look online, go to nailpro.com, or follow them on Instagram, that you can follow on these events, because these events are cheap. I only pay $40, but look, I get to meet Tino. I get to meet people who runs the Nail Pro, which is cool. And what I love about it is that you can see that there's community in the nail industry everywhere coming together, and that's the best part about it. But other than that, I hope you liked the videos. Make sure to share, like, subscribe, and I will see you on my next event. Till next time.